What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today we're going to go over my new EDC Glock 19 build. Let's go. Like I said, family, I'm sure you guys have seen the unboxing of the Glock 19 that we purchased on this channel. It already came with the Timney trigger on it, so I decided to go ahead and finish that build out and make it my new EDC. Here it is. And this firearm is clear. So enough talking, let's head over to the table and break down everything that we did to this firearm. Let's go. Alright guys, so right now, we have our Glock 19 Gen 5. I'm going to do a check on it. This firearm is clear. So let's start with our inside the waistband holster. This holster is made by Apocalypse Holsters. They're another great holster company. We have a few of these inside the waistband holsters. I do not have any outside the waistband holsters from them, but they do make a quality inside the waistband holster. Fits this perfectly. Alright, let's put that to the side. Now we have our Glock 19 Gen 5. Again, this firearm is clear. We have our Glock 19 Gen 5. Give you guys another look at it. And as you can see here first, I really don't like the grip texture of the Glock on this firearm. Really has no grip texture at all, man. I'm a bigger guy. My hands sweat when I shoot. And Glocks just flap around in my hand sometimes. So I like to have a little bit more of an aggressive grip texture on there. So I went with these handle-it grips. These are like a sandpaper material, man. And it just feels perfect in my hand. As you can see, I shoot this gun a lot. I started to wear it through the sandpaper right there, man. I use this gun an awful lot. And with the grip, we have the flared mag well. I love this for reloads. And also, it just gives the firearm a better grip in my hand. If I didn't have this flare mag well, my pinky would kind of just hang there. It wouldn't be off of the firearm with the mag in it, but it's just hanging there. But with this flare mag well, as you can see, it just gives my pinky somewhere to sleep. Next, we have this Streamlight TLR 7A. I love Streamlight products, man. They just work, and they work flawlessly in my opinion. Have our regular Gen 5 mag release and slide stop. The Gen 5s is on both sides. We have this magnificent, and I repeat, magnificent Timney trigger. Firearm is cleared. Let's let you guys see. Now let's look at this Timney trigger. Whew, that's the wall right there. As you can see, that's the wall. That's the break. Let's look at it again. That's the reset. That's the break. And with this Timney trigger, it's not like most triggers. Once you pull that trigger, the trigger is basically dead. But with this Timney trigger, it's kind of set up for you to dry fire as well. Let me show you what I mean. So, you're dry firing, pull that trigger once. With most firearms, you have to rack the slide in order to pull that trigger again. Now with this Timney trigger, there's a spring inside where you can continue to pull that trigger, which is great when you're doing follow-up shots while dry firing. It really comes in handy. Again, this Timney trigger, if you have a Glock, I definitely would think about getting a Timney trigger. That's just me. I love this trigger. It's way better than the Glock, the stock Glock trigger. Next, we're going to go to our slide. This slide is from Hayward Streams. It's a smaller company based out of Florida. And I love this slide, man. I had no issues with this slide. I ordered it from their eBay store. I did a lot of research on it. Everyone has said they give out a quality product. Not gonna lie, the shipping took a little longer than I thought. For them in Florida, I thought it would probably take a couple days. It took almost 2 weeks for me to get this slide. I was waiting anxiously on my slide, but it finally came, and I must say it's worth it. It came with a barrel and everything like that, but I put the stock Glock barrel back in there, as you guys can see. I do have suppressor height sights on here, and they're blacked out. Me personally, I just like blacked out suppressor height sights when I'm running a red dot. To me, a lot of night sights and stuff like that, they get in the way. It gets a little confusing, and I just don't like. I like blacked out sights. I guess it's from my FN 509. They come with blacked out suppressor height sights, and I just love that look. So any kind of suppressor height sights I get, 9 times out of 10 are going to be blacked out. Also have the Hollow Sun HS507C. I love this dot. Let's see if I can give you guys a picture of the dot. And of course, there it is right there. If you guys can see it. This is the circle reticle with the dot in the middle. So basically anywhere that circle goes, I'm going to hit my target. You necessarily don't have to have the dot on there. As long as that circle is on your target, you will hit. Also the solar panel on this. That's why I love Hollow Sun. That's pretty much all I did with this, man. I love carrying this firearm, as you can see by looking at the dot. I have to clean it. It is dusty. I've been carrying this thing all week. I normally like to wipe off my dots every couple of days, but honestly, I've been lazy the past few days, so that's what I'm going to do after I do this video. But yeah, I love carrying this firearm. It's just an all-purpose firearm, and it gets the job done, man. Enough of me talking. Let's head over to the range. I'm going to give you guys a few shots of me shooting this. Alright guys, so we're at the range right now. Have my Glock 19 right here. First couple shots I'm going to do, I'm going to shoot one-handed so you guys can see the effects of the trigger. Alright, let's go. Let you guys see the trigger here. Alright, as you guys saw, the Timney trigger is pretty good. Now let's throw a few more shots downrange. Alright guys, I have some hollow points right here. Let's see how those run. Alright guys, as you saw, those ran well. Alright. Alright guys, let's go. Glock 19 Gen 5. Alright guys, as you saw the breakdown of it, you saw the range footage of it. What do you think about my new EDC? Let me know if you were running as your EDC, what you would change on it, etc. Let's talk about it in the comments below, man. Again, you can check us out at ClarksFirearmTraining.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hey, it's Dwight.